accessing the 2023 KCSE examination results. And as I told you last time, we are not having a service provider, so the SMS system, we are not going to have that, but we have a system in place that people will be able to access the results immediately after this. The Council will dispatch the 2023 KCSE examination results to sub-county educational officers for distribution to examination centers within their regions. Candidates are urged to correct their provisional results from their respective schools, that is examination centers. A candidate can also access the individual 2023 KCSE results online through a link on the NEC website or directly through the URL https research.nec.ac.ke. Let me repeat again, either through the NEC website or directly through the URL https research.nec.ac.ke, and you will be able to get your research. This time round, we have worked with the engineers and the experts, and we are sure that the website and this particular system is working such that Kenyans will not be able to have the kind of inconvenience that we had last time when using a service provider. You will be required to enter your candidate's index number and the names as per the registration data for the 2023 KCSE examination. The results will be available immediately after this exercise. I now declare the 2023 KCSE examination results officially released and wish all the candidates the best in their future academic journey. I also wish all runners, teachers, parents, guardians, and all the stakeholders a happy and prosperous New Year 2024.